Hey guys, this is George, and in this video I'm going to be doing a video review of an iPad app called Squeezy. This app is a game for the iPhone, iPod Touch, or the iPad, so it's a universal app. It costs $1 on the App Store, and it's a game where you're like warm and you have to go traveling in different worlds, and you're on a spaceship and you travel to different worlds, and on each world you have to attract certain orbs and refill the gas of your spaceship and kind of do like small adventures. The game graphics and the user interface and stuff like that are very nice. Although the objective of the game wasn't very intriguing. The game wasn't very addictive, and it didn't make me want to play much of the game. But here goes the review, guys. Okay guys, so here I have my iPad. I'm going to open up the app Squeezy. So this is the app. As you can see, the graphics are very nice, the sound is very nice, the user interface is also very nice. Here we have a few options. It integrates Game Center pretty well. So here we have all the levels. It has quite a bunch amount of levels. So I have actually played this game, so the only thing is that I had to restore my iPad and all the levels got deleted. So this is my spaceship and this is my worm. So I have to press on the right side of the screen to go to the right, and on the left side of the screen to go to the left. So I have to kind of go zigzagging through the game, collecting these orbs and avoiding those spiky balls, or whatever you want to call them. So it's kind of complicated to play the game. I'm going to grab my iPad. There we go. So you can see how this kind of works. Now it says spacecraft refueled, and you have to go back into the spacecraft. So there it goes. I passed the level. Next level. Right here we have a kind of like a bigger journey. So I'm going to grab these blue ones first. There we go. And then later on in the game, you kind of have to start squeezing different animals. So you start like rotating around them, and then it squeezes them like if you were like a snake. And then in other levels you have like a time limit. You have time limits in all the levels, but on different levels the time limit gets lower, and all these meteorites start coming from meteors start coming from the sky, and you kind of have to run away. So you can see that's like pretty much all you have to do on the game. There's not a very interesting objective, and you kind of get bored after playing it for a while. See there, I touched that spiky ball guy and I lost a few of my I became shorter. Now we have to go get these. These make you bigger. And maybe down here there are more. Yep. And since I became shorter by touching that spiky thing, I'm not long enough to eat these type of animals. But if I were long enough, I would be able to start squeezing him by rotating like this. And if the red thing was in the middle, it would have sort of like exploded. So it says I'm long enough to squeeze. So here I squished them, and I ate all his 3 orbs. And actually that should make it, so I'm going to go back to my spacecraft and see if it's already refueled. There we go. So I got back in. Now I'll go to another world. I want to zoom out a little bit. There we go. Next level. So here's another one. You can see they kind of get harder and harder. You have to collect all these orbs and try to become very big. Avoid all those spiky things and refill your ship. And that's pretty much it for the app. There are plenty of levels, and that's pretty much it. So tell me what you guys think about it. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter for real-time updates. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.